Joe. John, I'm going to scrape down a duck here. I'm going to put 2 pans there.
You can see that it's never been done. Look at this. This is insane.
Well, grab 2 pans. What are you doing?
Look how dirty this duck is. Wow.